The North Carolina Department of Transportation is expecting a new cost for repairs on the state's section of I-40 in the Pigeon River Gorge. News 13's Shelley Garzone joins us now. And Shelley, what can you tell us?
Yeah, well, DOT is expecting these repair costs for them to be up to nearly $2 billion. They tell me that the additional time and research in the area was able to reveal this new price.
We're seeing about a $900 million cost increase on I-40 due to Helene.
The State Department of Transportation is working with a new price tag to repair I-40 after damages from Helene.
Originally, the estimates were $1.1 billion. That has now gone up to nearly $2 billion. Really, the main factor behind that is we have new subsurface information. So the early estimates, we just did not have that information. So we've spent some time out there. We've worked closely with our contractor to determine those costs over time.
DOT engineers say this will not impact the timeline to reopen the interstate.
We're going to have to go deeper into the ground, but we're not changing the scope of the project. That will remain the same, and it will not change the timeline either. The project will still be completed. All lanes will be open in late 2028.
With the highway not up to full capacity, local economic leaders say there are impacts to the area.
Certainly, our travel tourism sector hasn't recovered to the level that it was pre-Helene. Some of that is because perceptions outside of our area that this area is closed to visitors or this area is not ready for visitors.
Tourism is not the only area Ramsey says is seeing impacts.
Companies that are need to transport their products in various ways. The fact that that corridor is a little less accessible today than it was is certainly a drag on them. Many companies have just-in-time inventory where they're needing that inventory as timely as possible. So that's certainly an impact.
DOT says driving patterns along the reconstruction zone will not change.
Drivers will continue to be in the pattern they're in now, a single lane pattern in each direction along the work site, and it'll remain in that pattern until we're able to open all lanes in late 2028.
And the department tells me all costs for the repairs will be reimbursed by the Federal Highway Administration. Reporting in studio tonight, I'm Shelley Garzone, News 13.